Over the past 25 years, software organizations have experienced a problem: what to do with all of the code, tools, and infrastructure that is shared among multiple teams. In reaching for a solution, most have tried creating central teams to take responsibility for these shared demands. Unfortunately, in most cases, this has not worked particularly well. Common criticisms have been that central teams provide offerings that are hard to use. They ignore customer needs in favor of their own priorities. Their systems aren't stable enough, and sometimes all of the above. Instead of fixing these central teams, some have tried getting rid of them entirely, giving each application team access to the cloud and their choice of open-source software, OSS. However, this exposes those application teams to the operational and maintenance complexity of their choices. So instead of creating efficiencies and economies of scale, even small teams end up needing site reliability engineering and DevOps specialists. And even with these dedicated specialists, the cost of managing the complexity continues to threaten the productivity of the application teams. Others, while embracing the best of the cloud and OSS, have not given up on central teams. They've stuck with the model, certain that the benefits outweigh the downsides. The best have succeeded by building platforms, developing shared offerings that other engineers can comfortably build on top of. They have become experts at managing the complexity of the cloud and OSS while presenting stability to their users, and they are willing to listen to and partner with the application teams to continually evolve and meet the company's needs. Whether or not they've called their efforts platform engineering, they embody the mindset, skills, and approach necessary for solving the problem of ever-growing complexity, the fly, without swallowing ever larger animals in the process. To set the stage, in this chapter we'll cover what we mean by platforms and a few other important terms we'll use throughout the book, how system complexity has gotten worse in the era of cloud computing and OSS, leaving us in an overgeneral swamp of exposed complexity, how platform engineering manages this complexity and so frees us from the swamp. This chapter has a slight emphasis on infrastructure and developer tooling, but don't worry, this book isn't just for people working on infrastructure or developer platforms. We'll use systems common to all developers and provide a tangible illustration of the current state of affairs. But the underlying challenge of managing complexity is common to all kinds of internal platform development.